Java compiler. A Java compiler, Javac, is a computer program or set of programs which translates Java source code into Java bytecode. Okay. So, what do you mean by source code? As already told you, whatever the program we are writing, that is nothing but source code. Okay. So, that source code will be converted into bytecode. Okay. So, who is doing this in the computer? Java compiler. So Java compiler is nothing but it is one program. Okay, it is one computer program. So in Java, what we are using the command to execute the to compile the program, Javac. So Javac is the compiler in Java. Okay, which we are using. Okay, Javac is a compiler. A Java compiler is a computer program or set of programs which translates Java source code into Java bytecode. Okay. Okay. When the Java compiles, when the Javac compiles the source file defined in a .java files, it generates bytecode for the Java source file and saves in class file with a .class extension. So already I told you about this also. So when we are compiling the program, what is happening? One class is getting generated here. Okay. So how it is happening? Javac will compile the program. Then what is happening here? The source code, whatever the instructions we are writing in the source code, that will be converted into bytecode. Okay. So .java file will be converted into .class file. In that, bytecode will be there. Okay. See here. When the Javac compiles the source file defined in a .java files. So .java files means nothing but we are writing Noma. We are writing the program and we are saving it with .java extension, right? So that is nothing but .java file. Okay. It generates bytecode for the Java source file. So which will generate? Java compiler will generate. Okay. After compiling, the Java compiler will generate the bytecode. Okay. For the Java source file and saves in class file. That bytecode will be saved in class file with a .class extension. Okay. So already I've shown you also how it is getting generated and what extension it is taking. Okay. The most commonly used Java compiler is Javac, included in JDK from Sun Microsystems. So Javac, the most commonly used compiler is nothing but Javac. Where it will be included? It is included in JDK. So JDK is one part of Java software. One folder will be there, JDK. In that, it will be available from Sun Microsystems. So it is from Sun Microsystems. It is a software company. Okay, from this company only we are getting all these things. The following figure shows the working of the Java compiler. So by seeing this diagram, we can understand how it is getting generated and how it is compiling. Okay. See, text editor. Text editor means nothing but we will write the program. That is nothing but we will save it as file name .java. For example, demo.java. Hello.java we save, no? Hello.java. Okay. Then it will be taken by Java compiler. So what Java compiler will do here? That will be converted into bytecode. That is nothing but class name dot class. Whatever the class name we are giving in the program, with that name, the class file will be generated. For example, class name we used in the first example was demo. So demo.class. Okay, demo.class file got generated. Okay, so in that what will be there? bytecode will be there. So Java compiler will produce bytecode, that is nothing but class name dot class. With dot class extension it will be created. Then it will be taken by Java virtual machine. So in that Java interpreter will be available. What it will do, it will give that to operating system. So here what is happening, that will be converted to native understandable language and that will be given to operating system so that the operating system can understand that code. Okay, clear girls? So how it will be done? In text editor we will write the code that will be saved with .java extension. For example, hello.java, that is nothing but source code that will be taken by Java compiler. And what the Java compiler will do, it will produce dot class file. Okay, dot class file, how, with what name it will be generated, whatever the class name we will mention in the program, with that name and with dot extension, this file will be generated. And this file, what will be there, bytecode will be there. So this bytecode will be taken by JVM, that is nothing but Java virtual machine. Okay, Java virtual machine is nothing but it is one program. Okay, it will be available in the Java software. Okay, it is one part of the Java software. In this, Java interpreter will be there. So what it will do, that bytecode will be converted to machine understandable code and it will be given to operating system. Okay, now see here, what we are learning about Java compiler. Okay, Java compiler. So what is Java compiler? It is nothing but one program. Okay, it is a program or set of programs. It can be treated as a set of program also. Okay, set of programs. Okay, it's a program or a set of programs. Okay, then what it is, what is the duty of this Java compiler? When we will compile the program, it should compile the program. Okay, the Java compiler should compile the program. Okay, so how we are asking the compiler to compile? We are giving the instruction. How we are giving the instruction? We are using the command. What command we are using? Javac space program name dot Java, right? So what we are asking here? We are asking the computer to compile the specified program. Okay, we are using the command javac. Okay, so this javac, whatever the javac we are using, okay, it is a command. We are talking about this as a command, but the javac which is available in the software, what it is nothing but it is one program. What is the duty of this javac? It should compile the program. What do you mean by compiling? All of you know, it will check for the errors, syntactical errors. And in the program, in the specified program, if any mistakes are there, it will show. Okay, again, then we have to rectify it. After rectifying, again, we have to compile the program. Okay, till we won't get any errors, we have to compile the program. Okay, so till we won't get any errors means, when we are not getting any errors means, what is the meaning there? We don't have any errors. Okay, so it will compile the program. Okay, so what is happening internally? What the Java compiler is doing, it is taking the source file. Source file means what? Whatever the program we are writing. Okay, and we are writing, we are saving in the computer. How we are saving? We are saving that with .java extension. In the first program we have seen now hello.java. With that name we saved the program hello.java. So that hello.java is there now. That is nothing but source file. Okay. Then what will happen when we are compiling the program? This program is there no Java compiler. What it will do? It will take the source file. Okay, and it will convert that into bytecode. Okay, it will translate all the source code, whatever the instructions we've written in that file, that will be translated to bytecode. Okay, so where that bytecode will be saved? In one file. Okay, in one file it will be saved. Okay, that file is nothing but dot class file. That how it will be created? When we are compiling the program, automatically it will be generated by the computer. That means Java compiler is there, no? That is generating this file. Okay, so what this Java compiler is doing? This Java compiler is taking the source file. Source file means what? Whatever we've written, that one. Okay, and that will be converted into dot class file. So with what name it will be saved, that file? Hello, we have taken hello.java example. So here also hello dot, not hello dot class, girls. Whatever the class name we are giving in the program. Okay, so in the program we have given demo. For example, class name is demo. So demo dot class. With that name, the class file will be generated. Okay, in that what will be there? Bytecode will be there. Okay, that bytecode will be taken by whom? JVM. It is also one part of the Java software. Okay, so what is the duty of this Java virtual machine? In this Java virtual machine, Java interpreter will be there. So what it will do? It will convert that bytecode into machine understandable language. Okay, that will be given to the operating system. Okay, if operating system will understand whatever we are instructing the computer, then only it can proceed further. Okay, so what we are learning here, what is Java compiler? So what is Java compiler? It is one program or set of programs. Okay, what it will do? It will translate Java source code into bytecode. That we should remember. That's all. Okay, what is Java compiler? Java compiler is a program or set of programs. Okay, what is the duty of this compiler? It will translate the Java source code into bytecode. Clear?